Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Amon White. Today, I'm showing you how to send 10,000 cold DMs automatically to book more meetings and scale your SMMA to $100,000. Imagine reaching thousands of potential clients every single day without lifting a finger. That's the power of automation. We're diving into the exact tools, scripts, and strategies you need to automate your cold DM game and start closing more deals than ever before. Let's go. Cold DMs are still one of the most effective ways to land high-paying clients for your SMMA. You're reaching out directly to decision makers, cutting through the noise and getting straight to the point. But doing it manually is a grind, slow, boring, and holding you back. Automation changes the game. Imagine waking up to meeting requests from qualified leads pouring in. It frees up your time to focus on closing deals and scaling your business. Plus, you can reach a much larger audience, increasing your chances of landing high-ticket clients. Before we dive into the tools, we need to talk strategy. The first step is choosing the right platform for your outreach. Instagram is great for local businesses or e-commerce brands. Facebook works well for real estate agents and coaches. LinkedIn is ideal for B2B clients and high-ticket services, while email is still king for corporate clients. Start with one or two platforms that align with your target audience, master them, and then expand your reach. Now, for the fun part, the tool that will automate your DM game and take your SMMA to the next level. For Instagram and Facebook, Mobile Monkey is a beast. It automates your messages, manages your inbox, and even qualifies leads for you. Jarvee is another powerful option for bulk sending, but it requires a bit more technical setup with a VPS. For LinkedIn, Expandy is the king. It's specifically designed for LinkedIn automation and keeps your account safe. Zopto is another great option for bulk messaging and lead generation. For email outreach, Lemlist personalizes your emails, automates follow-ups, and helps you book more meetings. Always use a warm-up period with these tools before going full throttle to avoid getting flagged or banned. Now you've got the tools, but what are you going to say in these DMs? The key is to keep it short, sweet, and valuable. Here's a simple script for Instagram and Facebook. Hey name, I just checked out your business and love what you're doing. Quick question. Are you currently running any paid ads, or are you relying on organic traffic? For LinkedIn, try, hey name, I see you're in industry. I help businesses like yours generate leads with targeted ads. Would you be open to a quick chat? For email, try subject, quick question, first name. Hey name, I noticed something specific about their business. I run a digital agency that helps businesses like yours get more leads and sales through Facebook and Google ads. Would love to send over a quick breakdown of what we do. Let me know if you're interested. Alright, you're ready to scale this thing up to 10,000 DMs and beyond. First, find your ideal clients using tools like Phantom Booster, an Instagram scraper, or LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Import those leads into your chosen automation tool, Jarvee, Expandy, Lemlist, you name it. Set up your DM sequence, an intro message, a follow-up, and maybe a final reminder. Test and tweak your message scripts along the way. Optimize for better response rates. To really scale things up, consider running multiple accounts with proxies, especially for Instagram and LinkedIn. This will allow you to reach even more people without getting flagged for spam. Now, sending out thousands of DMs is just the first step. The real magic happens when you turn those leads into paying clients. Speed is key. Respond to messages as quickly as possible. When you do respond, ask the right questions. Focus on their business goals, pain points, and budget. Don't just jump into a sales pitch. If you've qualified the lead and you know you can help them, say, let's jump on a quick 15-minute call. I'll show you exactly how we can bring in more leads for your business. Offer something valuable for free upfront, like a free ad audit or a website analysis. This will significantly increase your response rate and make it much easier to close deals. And that's how you send 10,000 cold DMs on autopilot to book more meetings and scale your SMMA fast. Remember, automation is your secret weapon to escape the grind, reach more clients, and skyrocket your income. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below and let me know what tool you're gonna use first. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss my next money-making strategy. Catch you in the next one. Peace.